Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the 12 days of Christmas recipes as much as I enjoyed making them for you. I look forward to hearing your feedback on them. And for now, we'd like to wish you Merry Christmas in a very special way. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 divine bananas,
11 salmon swimming,
10 gulab jamuns,
9 bags of okra,
8 purple eggplants,
7 garlic beans,
6 spicy taters, 5
golden beets, 4 lemon noodles,
and 3 sagu pearls,
2 mint chutneys.
and 1 masala vada just for me.
Hey, what about me?
Merry Christmas, everyone. We hope you had a wonderful one, and we look forward to seeing everybody again in the new year.
Absolutely. All the best for the new year.